How to fix YouTube notification not showing. Hello everybody, in this tutorial we're going to be looking at how you can fix if you are not getting your YouTube notifications. First thing first you need to do is check your notification settings in YouTube. Open up YouTube application and check your notification settings. From here, tap on the U section at the bottom right, go to settings and find notifications. Tap on it. Make sure all of these notifications are turned on. The next step is to check your YouTube app's notification. Tap on the app logo, then go to app info and find notifications here. As you can see, notifications are currently blocked, so make sure you toggle this on and you'll have notification categories for different categories as well. Go here, make sure all of these are turned on, and you also need to make sure you've enabled bell icons for channels. So for that, you can go to subscriptions, and let's say if you subscribe to someone, I'll just go here, subscribe WWE. You'll find the bell icon, tap on it, tap on all to get notified about all the new videos. You should be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.